Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LIFX lights using LIFX app and Wi-Fi. Beginner guide step by step. Begin by ensuring your LIFX lights are plugged in and powered on. Open the LIFX app on your smartphone or tablet. If prompted, sign in to your LIFX account using your credentials. Navigate to the main screen of the app where your lights are displayed. Tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner. Select Wi-Fi settings from the list of options. Check for any available updates for your LIFX lights. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it before proceeding. Now, reset your LIFX lights if they are not responding or connected. To reset, turn the light off and on 5 times consecutively. You should see the light flash in different colors when the reset is successful. Next, tap Add Light in the app to begin the restoration process. Make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want your lights to use. Follow the in-app instructions to connect your lights to your Wi-Fi network. The app will search for your LIFX lights. Once found, select the light you want to restore. Verify that the correct Wi-Fi network is selected. Enter your Wi-Fi password if prompted. The app will now connect your LIFX lights to the Wi-Fi. You will see a confirmation message once the connection is successful. Repeat the process for any other LIFX lights you wish to restore. Once all lights are connected, return to the main screen in the LIFX app. You can now control your lights using the app as intended. Congratulations! You have successfully restored your LIFX lights using the LIFX app and Wi-Fi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.